but the most incredible story to tell. It must be fate that the two of you should meet.
The reason I'm recording this right now and it's not got a good intro is because I've just decided that I've got here, I'm camping in a £60 pop-up tent. I'm watching Life of Pi, right? It's raining, the inside of my tent is wet. Yeah? 1 minute. The inside of the tent is wet. Right? Wow, I look rough. But I'm going to do this video because I'm going to try and not return home. This is my first night. I'm going to try and not return home for a whole month in this £60 pop-up tent. Look, it's wet inside, you can see. So let's do this. Let's fucking prove that just go and do shit on your own. I'm completely on my own. Prove that you can just do this shit on your own. Let's fucking give people a life again instead of fucking worrying about what's going to happen. Let's let people live again. Night, God bless, motherfuckers. It's proper fucking pissing it down now. I don't even know if you can see me, but oh, you can a bit. Yeah, it's pissing it down now. There's just been lightning and everything. But do I fucking think I'm gonna quit? Not a fucking chance, mate. Inside of my tent's wet. It's soaking. But all it's gonna be, dry it out in the morning. When it's dry. Fuck quitting. Live your life, man. We're on the way to the beach. Black Rock Sands, you can take the car on it. It's a bit cloudy, hopefully they clear up. It's not showing that. It's showing clouds, but it's not showing that it's going to rain, and it's showing that the sun is shining through, so fingers crossed when we get there the weather's going to be a lot better, but I'm going to get some food as well, so yeah. It was interesting. I picked up a hitchhiker before. He'd left his phone on the bus, so we had to chase the bus down. He got his phone, then I dropped him off back. He was like, how do you want, how can I repay you? And I just said, just pay it forward, do something, oh look at that, do something nice for someone else, because that's what it's all about. But when I get into the town, I'll near the beach, I'll because I'm going to park up and get some food first, so yeah, I'll record again then, so see you on the other side, motherfuckers. Welcome to Black Rock Sands. This is what I mean about just going down, go out and do shit on your own. I kept getting let down 24/7. So I decided to just go on a camping trip on my own. Today, to Black Rock Sands where you can drive your car on the beach. It's fucking awesome, look at that. Look at the view there, like hills in the background. There's loads of people on an ice cream. Yeah, it's wicked. I'm going to cook up, I'm not hungry yet, but I'm going to cook up some food. Probably about an hour and a half, so I'll get that recorded. I think it's going to be some pan-fried gnocchi, but I've only got one pan, which I like a old pan like you do pasta in. I'm going to have to try and fry it now. And then I might do a bit of tomato sauce in a jar with it and spring onion. So I'll do that. Right, about to start dinner now. This is what we're working with. At the back of the car, 2 tables stacked on top of each other. Got this shit pan grilled gnocchi or pan fried gnocchi. I'm gonna try a bit of that, spring onions, a bit of water because I've no butter, and diet Pepsi. Right, let's get cracking. thirsty than I thought. Fuck off beeping your cunt in arm. Gimp. A few spring onions. I need a tripod. Fucking sick, this knife. So sharp as well. Right, I'll start re-recording when it's not far off being done, because I'm kind of just recording, but look at that for a view. Fucking awesome, man. You don't have to fucking wait around for people to have a good time. Literally just go and do it on your own. You don't need to fucking waste your time waiting for people. I don't know if you can hear me. But yeah, I'll record when the pasta's nearly done. Right, it's pretty much nearly done now. It's took ages because the wind's blowing the flame underneath. But that's it. I'm going to chop this spring onion up, put it on top when it's done. I'm going to have to eat it with my hands though, because I've no fork. Didn't think that far ahead. So yeah, bear with me. Just recorded a whole segment, realised I wasn't fucking recording. So that's the finished product. It's not pretty. Spring onions and tomato and basil filled gnocchi. I'm having to eat it with my hands though, because I've not got a fork or a spoon or any cutlery. I could actually use this. It's good, that. I'm starting to get heartburn though. I don't really know what that's off. Whether it's this or whether it's something that I ate last night or... That's doing me good. I need to get some cutlery on the way home. So, Lewis in this video, remind me. Oh, fuck off, what are you ringing me for? Last piece. I think that's us done now. Might head back to the campsite. Get some cutlery, some butter. Alright, see you on the road. Check this cunt in the middle of the fucking road. Oh my god, I've just bought a fucking ice cream thing. Look at the fucking size of it, and it's all dripping. What a nightmare. Sorry about my face, but yeah. £4.50. Right, I'm going, trying to eat this fast. Fucking just got back to the fucking centre again. Honestly, got invited to a club. This fucking, it's not a club, it's like a social club thing. So they said to me, these two old guys, they were like, do you want to come to a club? And I thought we were a club. I'm rabbited here, innit? But by two Welsh old guys, they were like, yeah, it don't shut till 1 because the pub shuts at like 11. I'm Welsh now. Do you know what I mean? I can fucking, you know when you're signing things on like gov.uk and it says English or Simru, I'm Simru. Don't even fucking test me. I'm Simru now. I shag sheep, you know what I'm saying? We shag 'em, you eat 'em. We shag 'em, you eat 'em. Sorry I didn't record. Got back from the beach. Had some food and I just went to the fucking pub and got steaming. There were 2 bears in there, you know. Fucking smashed their heads off. You know what I'm like? Watch. If I've not nailed anything by the end of this trip, you can all fucking unsubscribe. But I bet you. Come on, boys. We've got this together. I've not done much recording today because, to be honest with you, I've really not done a lot today. All I did, I went on into the town, into Llanberis for an hour and went on a walk. Not done a lot, but I've just got the campfire going now. I know it's grassy, but they said if there's no fire pits, just do it on the grass. So that's what I'm doing. Hopefully, try and burn some of this down. I've been bit a bit, you know. Yeah, so I've got the fire going. I'm gonna start cooking tea soon. I'm gonna have pasta in this creamy white chicken thing that I got from Asda. So yeah, that's all over there. Chilled. I've just literally, like I said, not done much. Went into the village for an hour and then I've just been laying my tent, literally just watching this series called The Island. Yeah, so once I get the fire sorted and start cooking my tea, I'll crack on recording again. Right, so here it is. I cooked the pasta, then put the tinned chicken creamy white sauce in. It's the Just Essential one from Asda. I think about £1.10 or something. I've chucked some spring onions in it. And then I'm gonna have a bit of red wine and coke when I'm serving, or when I'm eating it. Well, that's it. It's not looking too bad. Just put some fucking red wine in it, which is purple, and it's give it a weird colour, but oh well. So here's the finished product. Made it out of the pan because I've no bowls. Got it in my bird right. It's not pretty because I've no tripod. But let's do a taste test. Don't want it to drop on the phone, got a good amount there. That's not actually too bad. It's not like gourmet. I've no garlic, nothing like that, but I'd give it like a 6 out of 10. Just a little bit more flavour, probably a bit of garlic, and it'd be really nice. But yeah, it'll do for just me. I don't know if you can see this, but that is a helicopter. You can hear it definitely. On over Snowdon, I think. Obviously someone's gone missing or something. Wow, you can definitely hear it now. Is it going to come right over us? Awesome. Well, not awesome for a person. I hope everyone's alright. I can see a few stars. Well, one. There. There's fucking midges everywhere as well, they're pissing me off. But crazy, I hope everyone's alright. I just killed a midgie on my phone. Alright, that's me for the night anyway. Fire's out. That's the remnants of the fire.